Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about weightdemonmarch.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, as people from United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this site. So let's check out the detail. weightdemonmarch.com is an online fashion store created recently to sell different fashion related products to worldwide customers. However, the website only focuses on selected fashion niche including basics, new arrival, long wears and fashion jewelry. The website comprises a long list of products with description to make shopping easier for you as a customer. Moreover, the products are accessible according to their category. The fashion store claims to cater to women's fashions only. Let's check out some specification of the site. It is HTTPS code website. Have divided their website with different categories like new arrival, fashion clothing, accessories, loungewear. They have multiple payment method. They have mentioned email address, but unfortunately they have not shared their physical address and contact detail. Like if you have any query, you can contact on mentioned email address. As far as shipping is concerned, the order will ship within 1 to 3 working days and it is delivered by USPS priority mail. There is also shipping charges of flat $12. Moreover, all the sales are final with no exchange or refund. However, customer can share problem at their email support and get response within 48 hours. The domain was created and registered on 16th Feb 2021. Like it is not a very old website, few months old website. So let's check out the positive point of Wear Them in March. They are selling designer fashion clothing, size guide available for all the fashion wear, designer loungewear catering to the fashion needs of modern people. Different modes to accept payments are available. Email newsletter is available. The negative point of Wear Them in March are shipping charges applicable for all orders. There is no exchange or refund available. No contact number and address mentioned. No reviews or feedback is available. Here question may come in your mind as a customer that is Wear Them in March legit or a scam. So we are here to help you and we are discussing all the detail. As we have discussed, it is not a very old website. It was created on 16th Feb 2021. So it is challenging for customer to trust new website. Moreover, it is registered up to 16th Feb 2022. Like its expectancy date is very short. Plus, the trust score is also essential to evaluate the site's legitimacy, and for weightdemonmarch.com, it gained just 5% trust score, which again makes it look suspicious. As far as feedbacks are concerned, we could not found any feedback regarding this website, nor on internet or on website. Moreover, the website has no physical address, contact details, owner details, and crucial details to check its legitimacy. Besides, no refund and exchange policy and extra shipping charges further create suspicion in your mind as a buyer. It has again horrible trust rank of 21.6 out of 100. So we can conclude our discussion by saying that no doubt and nowadays online shopping is getting more accessible and convenient, especially in the global pandemic that locked all of us inside our home. But it does not mean that every fashion store you came across is genuine. So for this website, we can say that no doubt it is new and needs thorough research and evaluation before shopping to avoid unnecessary scam. For our point of view, it is not a trustworthy website. So if you still want, you must make a thorough research and make a wise decision for your shopping, so by then you may not lose your money. And if you have a personal experience, please share your views and experience right in the comment box regarding weightdemonmarch.com. We love to hear from you.